Yes, my people, welcome back to DMAC 4K World Tour. Yes, coming to you from St. Elizabeth, and I'm going to give you a driving tour, and I'm starting this one at Middle Quarter. Yes, to Black River. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this tour from Middle Quarter to St. So guys, we are just showcasing you what the damage after Melissa, you know?
Yes, so we are just showcase all the damage about Melissa. I've done to St. Elizabeth.
Yeah. All the power lines are down.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yes. So you can see, guys, a lot of power lines are really flat.
In this area here.
Yes. This area is really badly devastated.
Yeah. Look at that rooftop there.
There's a lady on top of the roof.
Yeah.
Fixing it.
Up there. Look at that, guys. See it?
Yeah.
All the power lines.
It's gone.
Yeah. So you have to be careful how you walk on this road or drive, you know?
Yes, you have to be very careful.
Yeah.
And people are catching water out there. So,
Yes. Well, give thanks to get a little water.
yes.
Yeah.
And those are not natural spring water as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going straight into Black River.
Yes, guys. So this is going to be taking us right into Black River.
Look at that. All the power lines.
Look at the power lights, guys. See all that break up into so many pieces.
It's not going to fix no time soon.
No time soon, so that fix
Yeah,
it.
man, it'll take a lot of work to put what this power line together.
Yeah. years, you know. Yeah. So yes, guys, it's gonna take a long time for all these power lines to go back together.
Yeah.
Yes. So I hope, pray to God that they send people from all over the world to come and help fix up St. Elizabeth again and the whole of Jamaica as well.
Look at that.
Yes. All that is gone, you know.
See, all the dirt is washed down right here
Yes.
from up there, from up the hill. Look at that.
Yes.
Look at that road. That road is gone.
It's gone up there, yes.
Yeah.
So you see, guys, so a tractor come and just move away the dirt from the road as well. So they have to get tractors to clear the dirt from the road. Yeah.
Wow, it's so dusty.
Very dusty.
Winter coming Jamaica.
Yes.
Look at the trees.
Yes. It's a winter land, guys. But not cold. It's not cold at the moment.
It's hot, hot winter.
It's a hot winter.
Yeah. Hot winter. Look at the trees.
Yes.
There.
Yes.
It's winter. Winter in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Washing.
Yes. guys, we got signal down here.
You got signal, you got internet?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
Oh, look over there. Yeah, you can pass. A lot of house damage over this side here too.
Yes, a lot of houses,
Yeah.
yes. Damage, yeah.
Rooftop.
Mhm.
Even though concrete,
Yes.
even though it's a block house, there's still damage.
Still damage, yeah.
Yeah. Got that.
Mhm.
Got that big one over there.
Big one right over there, you know.
Uh,
You can see the rooftops are damaged.
yeah, them.
Yes, the rooftop is completely gone, yeah. The signal is now gone.
Wow, look at these wire lines, power lines out here. Look at that.
Yes, look at all the power lines, guys, you know.
No power lines up.
Yes. See, this guy's really dusty. the
Yeah.
moment.
Man, look at that house up there.
Also, it's very devastated.
Yeah. Over there. Oh, the house. No roof.
No roof at all.
Mm-mm. So guys, they are in a clean up mood now. Yeah.
Yes. And look over here as well, guys. You can see the water over there as well. Nobody can bathe in that water. It's very, very dirty. It smells really bad as well, guys.
Okay. Alright, so that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, my people. Thanks for supporting the channel. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And please remember to go and check out Jamaican World Travel.
Yes.
Marsh Rose Lifestyle, Smile in the City, Wayne Mighty 4K Explorer, and Eat with Some. See you in the next one. Devastation from Melissa.